What was the most incredible thing we have done together?
Everything.
Everything.
Not everything.
That's something very special. What did we finish as a group? Really?
The painting.
Yeah, the mural. Man, we made the mural. That was incredible that we've done that. And it's beautiful and it's going to be there forever and ever and ever.
Myself, I love myself, I respect myself, I protect myself, I feel my heart beating, I'm a talented child, and I give my talent water every day. I see you, I see you, I see you, we are all friends, connected by heart. Thank you, thank you, thank you.
If I grow old and come to school, my biggest dream is to learn art and to go to other places and present RASA. Like not like just in South Africa, but like in India, in China, and I want to learn their children what RASA learned me, and I want to learn them what I know and teach them what RASA actually means. And maybe they can come to RASA's art class, and maybe I can open RASA art classes in their country. And then RASA won't be only in Belgium and in South Africa, but around the world. So
Wow, that's a good idea. Wow, for that idea. Wow, wow.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Wow.